Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to work and how to connect this basic control for the pump. This already connected, but I will inform to you. I will discuss. Okay, this is the main breaker. This is the timer on delay. This is the contactor, and then the contactor, the supply for this switch. So imagine this is the motor, the lights motor. This is the wire. So I plug in here. So this contactor is the coil is 220. So the line 1 I put in the normally close, so it will open depend of your time, what time you need it. And then the another one coil is put direct for the power supply. So I'm gonna put power now. Okay, already on. So I already switch this one. Okay, so this is the main switch, so I will on. Okay, depend of your time again. So imagine this is the motor. So I will off a little bit. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, okay. One more. Okay. It's too much click. Okay. Okay. Then again. 1 hour. Okay. On again. That's it. This is for the basic pump. This is only for pump control basic. Main breaker. Timer on delay. Per hour. Contactor 220 coil. And the power, the lines coming here from the switch, and the lights it will on. So imagine that's the motor. I'm gonna show next time the circuit 1, circuit 2 basic control. So I'm gonna put another flow sheet next time. I will show you and I discuss the next video. Bye bye.